Hey, what's happening? This is Paul Farmer. In this video, I'm going to tell you the truth when it comes to making multiple streams of income online. And I'm going to share with you the Millionaire Marketer Formula. That's what I'm calling it, actually. So, the truth about making multiple streams of income. This is something, a lot of marketers want to do. A lot of people want to do. It sounds great in theory. But the problem with it is, uh, when you have multiple different businesses you have to run, it can get very overwhelming, very complicated, and you dilute your focus. Now, the only way it really can work is one, if you have completely different things. So, may you have an online business and may you have some type of investment or something outside of being online, or you have some way to complement your business, like that provides tools and training, something that's going to complement your business. But even more so, what I like is what a multimillionaire taught me. And I'm calling it the Millionaire Marketer Formula. It's something that I don't know how widely known it is. I know majority of people out there probably don't follow this formula, but I do know it works, and I do know that it makes a whole lot of sense when you really look at it. So what he would teach, my mentor, is he would teach always lead with a high ticket offer, something that pays $1,000 plus up front, $1,000 or more up front. And to me, like, first of all, if you're new, that could be intimidating. You may not believe you can make $1,000 commissions or more up front. But I'm telling you from experience, this is the better way to go about it, because what it does is it allows you to get right now money and cover all your expenses, so you can get advertising money, and then you can either advertise your high ticket, or you have your lower ticket residual income streams on the back end. So you lead with the high ticket, you lead with the right now money, something that pays you upfront bigger income, so you can cover all those expenses. Now, if you were to flip this and do it the opposite way, what will happen is a lot of the time, lower ticket commissions, they're like $10, $20, maybe $50. I would consider a low ticket commission, even $100 a low ticket, in my opinion. Um, you start making these commissions, and for them to really start adding up, you need help from other people. And if you're not getting help from other people, then you're just working way too hard for way too little. And what tends to happen is people end up quitting. So take it from me, someone who has experienced this many times over. I actually went out to prove my mentor wrong for whatever reason. I just go, oh no, I think I can do it the other way. And I'm not saying you can't. If you're an influencer, if you're a leader, if you could attract leaders into your business, into your opportunity, into whatever it is you're doing, then yeah, you can take off fast and really leverage other people's efforts, right? Other people's time, and be able to earn a respectable income. But if you can't do that, doing it this way, where you start with a low ticket, is really setting yourself up for a really long, hard road, disappointing road, frustrating road, and so forth. So it's much better if you can start with a high ticket and then put the lower ticket in the back end. Now, what I'm doing, and I did a video before, I actually, what I do is I write letters. I get paid to write letters, and that kind of is like a high ticket income, because I make more than that usually, um, by writing letters, and I could take a portion of that and put it back into advertising to grow multiple streams of income. Now, the way I'm building multiple streams of income is with a system, a completely automated system that does all the heavy lifting for me. And if I want to market it, I can, but I'm leaning with a high ticket offer. I do hope that makes sense. In the link below, in the description below, you're going to come to a page that looks just like this, and you can see the different offers I have. This is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I have an offer that pays $1,500 commissions up front, unlimited, which is also completely automated. This is a company that's been around for 12 years. 12 years. I've been with them for 10 years. Made six figures, well into six figure range income. And it pays you daily income. It also pays you residual. So you could say there's multiple streams built right into this system. It also pays you residual. What I like about this offer, though, straight up, is you're going to make $1,500 commissions. They have an AI traffic co-op, which is like a national co-op for USA people only. It's not for USA people only. People outside of the United States can participate in the co-op. They're targeting USA people only, and it's completely done for you. You do absolutely nothing, completely done. You just purchase your shares of the co-op and you're good to go. So if you're brand new or you just don't want to do anything, that could be an option for you where you could literally hands off, do zero, and be able to earn $1,500 commissions because they also, on top of the AI that goes and calls your leads, follows up with your leads, voice message drop to your leads, emails your leads on a continuous basis over time, you also have human closers for this as well. This one here is completely automated. This is where I have my lower ticket, my residual income, my legacy income opportunities. But the thing is, it's all within a system. I'm not advertising each and every program. I'm advertising the system. So if you look at this, there's really only three things. Let me just circle this. There's only three things here. And you don't have to do it this way, but this is how I'm doing it. I get paid to write letters. Okay? I get paid to write letters. Boom. That pays me pretty much weekly income. Even if I don't make a single sale, I could do it without a single sale, without talking to a soul, which provides funding, right, for the higher ticket here. And then right here, I can get advertising for this as well. So that's kind of how I'm doing it. It makes a lot of sense to me. I don't know if it will make sense to you. If you don't want to write letters, you don't have to do that. It's working for me. If you don't mind writing letters and getting paid, I mean, it's simple. It's only two sentences you write. And, I've been doing it for over a year. I watch TV, I listen to music, I listen to audiobooks, I go through trainings. I mean, I do all kinds of stuff while I'm writing letters. So it's not just I'm not just sitting there writing letters, but I get paid to do this, and it's decent money. It rivals most people when they get into a high ticket, I would say. Uh, but I'm leading, so all my content, I'm leading with this. And the reason I'm leading with this is because it pays upfront $1,500 commissions amongst other things as well. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. See if I can move to something else. So right here is the product. This was a company 12 years old. And what they did is they combined all these products that I had to buy separately for some of these were different prices when I bought them before, but they put them all together, boxed them up, and are now selling them for $19.97 one time. You get 3 months of the residual product, which is capture pages, sales pages, marketing training, etc. And you also get 3 months of coaching. This is live coaching right here. Again, you don't have to pay that for 3 months. There's residual income built into the system. There's one-time payment. So this Master Traffic Institute on its own pays $1,000 commissions. Home Business Pro pays $400 commissions. Free Ad Secrets pays $100 commissions. My Master Magic is I can't remember exactly what that one pays off the top of my head. Uh, but these all pay, like this is one time and residual. So you have it all built in. So honestly, this is all you really need, unless you want to have some other things, and like I do, where I have it all in a system. I just put it all in a system, and I just let the system do its thing. So I hope that makes sense. This is a great offer. They call and close your leads for you. It can be completely hands off with the co-op, the marketing co-op. All you're doing is purchasing a share of the co-op. One share is $100. If you want to get 10 shares, it's $1,000. They do it all. You do nothing. Zero, zilch. It's just the advertising's taken care of. It's all done for you. And their goal is to make you sales. If they can't get you the $1,500 sales, maybe they'll get you $1,000 sale. Maybe they'll get you a $400 sale. Okay, so they'll downsell and do what they can to help you out. So uh, that's how that works. That's what I would do. Again, millionaire marketing formula here. You got a high ticket on the front end. And let me explain just something real quick when it comes to the high ticket. There are a lot of different high ticket programs out there. For me personally, I didn't want anything where I had to get paid directly by a third party processor. For example, Stripe, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, any of those. Like I did not want to deal with that whatsoever. And a lot of those products out there that claim they pay you 100% commissions, uh, the products are not very good. I'm not saying the products are like the best ever in Power Lead System, but there is a lot of value in Power Lead System. For example, this Home Business Pro, within this, there's a whole entire email copywriting course in there, actually workshop that each one of these like 2 hours long by a guy that makes seven figures doing email copywriting. Okay, so he knows copywriting, and if you ever want to learn how to do copywriting, this is a great place to do that. And copywriting is in everything. It's in how you speak. It's how you write, like doing videos, doing posts. It's in everything. It can help you in every aspect when it comes to making money online. Again, though, if you don't want to do any of that stuff, you can participate in the co-op where they're going to do all the work. You got AI that's going and calling your leads, texting your leads, emailing your, I mean, it's just crazy how easy this is now, to be honest. But with that, go ahead and click the link right below. Again, you're going to see a page just like this. You can go through these and check them out. I do have the Acorns app. I mean, that's dirt cheap, $5, and they do all kinds of promotions where you can make anywhere from, $400 in a week to $2,000 in a week to $2,200 in a week, uh, just to meet their qualifications. And that's a very dirt cheap way for you to get some extra money. It's not residual income by any means, but it can help you out if you could use some extra money. You just don't have much. Okay, so with that, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.